Yeah.
Because my eyes are need to be normal.
What is the problem with your eyes, Vincent? Can you tell?
The sun.
The sun, what does the sun make to your eyes?
It's running up my eyes.
It's what?
The sun is blocking the ground. And then it goes to my eyes.
It goes to your eyes?
Yeah.
Why does it go to your eyes? Now I'm giving you some shadow so you get the shade. How is that? Is that okay?
Seems okay.
It seems okay. What do you tell everybody? Huh?
Normal.
Say hi.
Hi.
My name
My name
is
is
Vincent. Ako po
Agapo.
ay
Ay
isang
isang
batang
batang
Pilipino
Pilipino
sa puso
sa puso
at sa diwa.
at sa diwa.
Mahal ko po
Mahal ko po
ang aking
ang aking
kapwa
kapwa
Pilipino.
Filipino.
Lalong-lalo na po
Walawang mo po
ang mga
ang mga
pinsan
pisang
at
at
tiyuhin
tsuhin
at
at
tiyahin
tsahin
na nasa
sa nasa
Pilipinas.
Pilipinas.
Ako po si Vincent,
Asa po si Vincent.
handang lumaban
Hadang mo mama.
at ipagtanggol
Hadang ko
ang
ang
kapayapaan
ay pangitangkang
para
tuwa
sa bansang
pasang
Pilipinas.
Pilipinas.
Samahan niyo po ako.
Ay biyako.
Samahan niyo po ako.
Ay biyako.
Samahan
Samahan
niyo po
niyo po
ako.
ako
What are you doing? na
na
magkaisa tayong lahat.
ta
Magka
magka
isa
isa
tayong
tayong
lahat.
lahat.
Halina po kayo.
Ay biyako.
Halina
Alina
po
po
kayo
kayo.
sa isang bansang
Isang
ipagtatanggol,
ipagtanggol idamping ko
ipagtatanggol
idamping ko
kahit
kiya
kanino,
kahit Pilipino
kanino,
kanino
bayang
bayang
magiliw,
pagili
perlas
pero
ng silanganan,
singin niya na
bayang magiliw,
bayang pagili
perlas ng silanganan,
kasama pinang
alab ng puso,
araw kay kurso
sa dibdib mo'y buhay,
nagpinumpihan
lupang hinirang,
buhang tignan
duyang ka ng magiting,
buhang tigiting
sa manlulupi,
buhang tigiting
di ka pasisiil
tigiting
sa dagat at bundok. I can't hear you. Sa dagat.
I wanna go to our house.
Are you gonna leave us here?
No, come with me.
I want you to record something for me, but you're leaving me. Mama, let's go back to New York. Bye-bye.
But the car is next to our house.
It's not next to your house. It's far from your house. Bye-bye.
Bye.
I was talking about the car.
What are you talking about?
The car.
What about the car?
Your car.
Well, okay, just say hi to your cousins.
Cousins.
Hi, cousins.
Hi, cousins.
You look at the camera. Hi, cousins.
Hi, cousins.
I am your cousin,
I am your cousin.
Vincent Paul
Vincent Paul
Davis.
David.
I'm good.
I'm good.
I love you all.
I love you all.
Mwah, mwah, chup, chup.
Mm.
You're not looking at the camera. You're not looking at the camera.
Mm.
I want a good face. Show your good face to them. Is that a good face?
Uh-huh.
Is that a good one?
Mm.
I don't know.
I don't know what the normal smile.
It's like this. Look at me. Yeah, I want a good hand.
Bob, you're not blocking the shade.
Oh, I'm sorry. I want a good and happy face. How's the happy face? How's the Angry Bird face?
Yeah.
Show me an Angry Bird face. Is that an Angry Bird face? Like that? Show me a candy face.
Candy face?
Yeah.
What's candy face?
Sweet face. Sweet face. Show me
Nakalabas yung dila.
show that's a sweet face. Show me a sad face. Show me an angry face. Show me a happy face. Show me a crying face. Show me a laughing face. Show me a crazy face.
Ay.
Show me a mommy face. How's your mommy face?
What's your mommy face?
Your mommy, how is her face look like? Show me a daddy face. Show me your nanay face. Show me papa face. Show me mama face. Show me how Papa Ding's face. They all look the same, Vincent. Make it different. Show me Mama Babang face. Huh? Mama Babang face, like that?
No, smile. See?
Show me a...
Come here, baby.
Come here. Show me a...
We can go here where nobody can see us.
Why are you hiding? Hey, Vincent, come here.
I thought there's
Oh, say bye-bye na, baby.
Okay, bye now. See you guys. Come on, baby. Bye, guys. See you. We had fun. Did you have fun? Did you have fun?
Playground.
We don't need to go to the playground. We're going to the mall now.
Playground.
Don't you want to watch Jack and the Jack?
After we play in the playground, we can go
Okay,
to
let's
the
go.
mall.
Bye, guys. See you. See you. Say bye-bye. See you bye-bye to the man. On the fish pond. There's man. Bye.
I want to see you.
You wanna see
Vincent,
him?
come on, let's go now. They're waiting
wanna
for
see him?
us. Say bye-bye to
Say
Grandpa.
bye to him. Come on, guys. Hold me. How many seconds do you need? Up muna. See you guys. See you guys later. Bye-bye.
Vincent, show your
Bye-bye.
face.
Bye-bye to them.
Baby.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Huh?
Come on.
Bye-bye.